right, so we're going to start our new unit lesson on equations. So far with online distance learning, we have discussed integers, expressions, and now we're going to dive into equations. An equation is a mathematical sentence showing two expressions are equal. An equation will contain an equals sign. So the differences between the equation and the expression is that an equation, again, is a mathematical sentence showing two expressions are equal. The example meaning 5 plus x equals 13. An expression as the combination of numbers and operations, but which might contain variables. 5 plus x minus 16. So again, when we focus on the equations, we want to make sure that we are using the equal sign to find the solution. So for example, when we identify the solution of each equation from the list given, 9 plus w equals 17. Now looking at that problem mentally, I'm trying to think of what would this number equate to. They've given us the options of 7, 8, and 9. Well, I know that 17 minus 9 is 8. But I also know that when I add 8 to 9 will equal 17. So I'm going to use 8 as the list given. 9 plus 8 is 17. W was my variable, and I identified from the list given what would identify the solution to be equal on each side. 9 plus 8 is 17. So therefore, 17 is equal to 17. Now, looking at let's take a look at addition equations. Our focus objective is to solve and write addition equations. 8 equals x plus 3. So we want to isolate x by itself. So we're going to use the inverse relationship of subtraction to minus 3. Now, what we do on one side of the problem, we need to do to the other side to balance the equation. So 8 minus 3 is 5 equals x, or it can be written as x equals 5. To check our answer, we can insert it back into the problem that 8 equals 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 8 equals 8, so our solution is correct. Our next problem, c plus 2 equals 5. Again, we want to isolate c, our variable, by itself. So if we subtract 2 from both sides of the equation, 5 minus 2 is 3. So c is equal to 3. Putting it back to check our solution, if c equals 3 plus 2 equals 5, 3 plus 2 equals 5, or 5 equals 5. And our solution is correct. Take a look at this word problem. Elliot is 63 inches tall, which is 9 inches taller than his cousin Jackson. Write and solve an addition equation to find Jackson's height. So that's what we need to know, is the unknown is to find Jackson's height. So we'll label that as h as our variable. So let's take a look at what we do know. We know that Elliot is 63 inches tall, which is, so we'll put down our equal sign, 9 inches taller than his cousin Jackson. So h, our variable, plus 9 for the 9 inches taller. Then we'll go ahead and take a look and solve our equation. To isolate the variable, I'm going to use subtraction, and I must do it on both sides to have a balanced equation. So 63 minus 9 is 54. The plus 9 and the minus 9 cancel each other out, so I am left with h. 54 equals h, or h is equal to 54. To now check my solution, 54 plus 9 is equal to 63. All right, we got our answer correct. Go ahead and head on over to Seesaw and answer a few on your own.